Dates are high in natural sugars like glucose, fructose, and sucrose. The high energy present in them can be attributed to this high sugar content. Many people around the world are estimated to eat natural low-fat dates for a quick afternoon snack when they are feeling lethargic or sluggish to help bump up energy levels fast. People who follow Islam and observe fasting break their fast by eating them along with water. This also helps avoid overeating food once the fast is over. Since they're dried, their calorie content is higher than most fresh fruit. The calorie content of dates is similar to that of other dried fruits, such as raisins and figs. Most of the calories in dates come from carbs. The rest are from a very small amount of protein. Despite their calories, dates contain some important vitamins and minerals in addition to a significant amount of fiber. A study suggests that dates may protect against oxidative stress and inflammation in the brain. According to research, date palm fruits are a good source of dietary fiber and are rich in total phenolics and natural antioxidants, such as anthocyanins, ferulic acid, protocatechuic acid, and caffeic acid. The presence of these polyphenolic compounds may potentially help slow the progression of Alzheimer's disease and dementia. Dates have been studied for their potential to promote and ease late-term labor in pregnant people. Eating these fruits throughout the last few weeks of pregnancy may promote cervical dilation and lower the need for induced labor. They may also be helpful in reducing labor time. The role dates may have in pregnancy is likely due to compounds that bind to oxytocin receptors and appear to mimic the effects of oxytocin in the body. Oxytocin is a hormone that causes labor contractions during childbirth. Additionally, dates contain tannins, which are compounds that have been shown to help facilitate contractions. They are also a good source of natural sugar and calories, which are necessary to maintain energy levels during labor. Did you know that dates are free from cholesterol and contain very little fat? Including them in smaller quantities in your daily diet can help you keep a check on cholesterol level and even assist in weight loss. So start loading up on dates today. Most people know that getting enough sunlight and foods with vitamin D is vital for bone health, but the combination of minerals like magnesium and copper that are packed into dates make them a superfood for strengthening bones, too. There are many more benefits of dates, such as relieve intoxication and prevent a hangover, relieve constipation, promote heart health, reduce inflammation, reverse anemia, and more. Thank you for watching. Hopefully useful.